No, Amazon is not trying to take away third-party apps. They just changed the method to get to the developer option. So I'm gonna go through that method with you now. And this is just for the newer Firesticks, not the older ones. So once you go to the settings, go to that My Fire TV option, and normally you won't see it here. So you'll go to the About option, select About, and whatever Fire TV you have, mine is the Fire TV Stick. If you have the Fire TV Lite, it'll say Fire TV Lite and so on. But you'll select this option about 7 times. It'll keep count for you down below. But once you see this option pop up right here, you're good to go. So you can back out and then you'll see the developer option. But it's one more step, because when you go to select the developer option and you try to turn on that unknown sources option, it's different this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the downloader app and show you what I'm talking about. So I have downloader downloaded. Now when I go back to the same option, you see it's different. So besides turning the option on and off in general, we have to turn it on and off for each individual app. So for example, say if I install like a APK library app later, I'll have to go back into the setting and turn on unknown sources individually for that app. It'll show right under the downloader app. But that's all I have for this video. I'm doing a second video explaining this change in depth, because I feel like it's a lot of confusion. Like I said in the beginning, they're not trying to take away third-party apps. But that's another video. For this video, that's all I have. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out now.